Today, we open a new chapter for Malawi. From Lilongwe, our capital, to Blantyre, our commercial heart, and across every district of our nation, we are building together. We are creating a future where modern roads connect our people, our farms, and our markets. Highways that link villages to towns, and towns to our great cities. Roads that make it possible for goods to move faster, for children to travel safely, and for communities to feel closer than ever before. We are building new housing communities that provide dignity and comfort for families. Homes where parents can raise children with hope, where young people can dream, and where every Malawi can feel secure. Above these new neighborhoods, skyscrapers rise as symbols of our ambition. Towers of steel and glass that show the world our confidence, our growth, and our readiness to compete with the best. Technology is at the heart of this transformation. From digital payments to smart energy, from innovation hubs in our cities to solar power in our villages, we are creating opportunities that touch every life. Our young people, with their energy and creativity, will lead the way into this digital future. But this vision is not for Lilongwe and Blantyre alone. It is for Karonga and Sanje, for Mzuzu and Zomba, for every district and every community across Malawi. Because true progress must reach every home, every school, and every market. This city and the future it represents is more than buildings and roads. It is a promise of progress, of unity, and of a brighter tomorrow for all Malawians. Together, with courage, with innovation, and with faith, we're shaping the new Malawi. Let's change Malawi together. Vote for Atupele Muluzi for president. Zikomo kwambiri. May God bless our beloved country.